Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to fix your camera effects and filters on Instagram. For several reasons they may not be working. You may be trying to use a specific filter and it might be glitching up. And in this video I will show you how to try several methods that might fix the problem. First of all, what you want to do is actually go out of Instagram and head over to Google Play or the iOS App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then search for Instagram. Once you found it, open it. And right here where it says open, if it says update, make sure to actually update your app, because some filters don't run on older versions or some effects on the camera as well. So the one of the most important things is always keeping your app up to date. The next thing that you can actually do is go to your settings and find Instagram in it. Once you've done that, you can force stop the app. And then once you have done that, you can head over back and open the app. What this does essentially is pretty much restarting the app. So if it was something that glitched out at the moment, this should probably fix it. And as you know, with everything, a good restart is always of help. So you may want to try this. As a final resolution, you can go to your profile, click the top right, and open settings, click help, and click report a problem. Then click the third option, report a problem again. And here you can explain what isn't exactly working and what you think it might not be working. Attach an image to it and send it. And Instagram will be in touch with you, I'm guessing within a few days or hours, trying to help you for your problem. And that's all the things you can do to fix any camera effects or filters that aren't working. Hope this helped. See you next time. And if it did, leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day.